today.
Meanwhile, the Bahamas Technical and Vocational Institute opening its doors to the public recently, welcoming community stakeholders and prospective students eager to see how they can pursue higher education. Under the theme True Blue and You, the Spring Open House wasn't just about programs and courses, but more about exposure and laying out in plain terms everything BTVI has to offer.
We want to raise the awareness and importance of the trades. We want to emphasize the fact that it's a very lucrative job, high-paying jobs within the trades, and not only high-paying from an individual perspective, but in terms of what the country needs. We need it to continue to build our nation.
This event is so important because we are in the evolving world of technical and vocational skills, and so we need our citizens to know what is right here locally. We are an accredited institution, and so they need to be aware of what's happening right here in their backyard.
Officials say the exercise is about giving young people the confidence to visualize and believe their goals are within reach. And for these high schoolers, it seems BTVI hit the nail on the head.
For me, I think events like this should happen more often because students, sometimes they feel as though they are stuck in life.
It shows students that there are so much more than just those academic fields that you can indulge in. Whatever your heart desires, beauty trades, electronic, building, car mechanic, these are the things. You have the tools, you have the places, you have the people that are going to give you the knowledge in order to step into these fields. And these are fields today in our world that are totally needed.
Valentine's Day has come.